Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats and welcome to my channel. Y'all, something very special has happened for me or to me or whatever the right way to say it. TRENDMOOD. If y'all have not ever heard of TRENDMOOD, then you must live under a rock. TRENDMOOD is one of the most respected and followed beauty accounts in social media, and it is run by Sophie Shab, and she produces boxes. It's not a subscription box, but it's like a subscription box. It has fabulous items in it, and it's very reasonably priced. It doesn't come out monthly, and I don't even know that it comes out the same time, like quarterly or something, but every so often there's a TRENDMOOD box, and it's filled with fabulous things and very, very inexpensive for what you get. It's way valued, way more than what you get. And it's all things that TRENDMOOD has decided. You know, they show all kinds of new products on Instagram is where I know them from. And it's just exciting. It's exciting because they put out, now I don't remember exactly how it began. I think it was on their stories. They post a lot of stories, and they asked for people if we were interested in maybe helping them introduce a product. And of course I signed up for it, never thinking for a minute. But they picked me. Now, when I say they picked me, they might have picked 2,000 people. I don't know. I'm sure they didn't just pick one. Let me tell you, I'm sure it's dozens and dozens and maybe even hundreds and hundreds of people that they picked. I have no clue. It was very secretive. And it says, we have selected you to help us test this product. So it's KIKO Milano, which is an Italian makeup company, a bougie Italian makeup company, and it is the TRENDMOOD and KIKO Milano Community Challenge. So I got the notice that they have chose me as one of the people. So I'm just so excited. So they said I would get a package of makeup and they wanted me to test it. And they did, unless I changed my mind, which who would change their mind? So they sent me the package, and plain brown box, opened it up, and there were 6 of these items in there. 6 of these, okay? So the packages all look the same, and they all have numbers on them. And it says KIKO Milano Unlimited Double Touch Liquid Lip Color. And there are 6 of them, and I have a video that I made for them that I will be adding on here for you to see. So these are the 6 colors, and I'm getting so excited, but these are fabulous. Now, this lippy has been out for a while, but these are limited edition colors that are only going to be out for a short time. They're announced today, and then when they sell out, those colors are gone. So I have on, right now, I have on number 155, it's called, and it is, I already forgot the name of it, y'all, because I'm nervous. So it is called Night Vibes. And here is the lip color, and then this is what you put over it. And it doesn't get on your cups or anything. Look, it's not on my hand. But I tell you all about that in the video that is following here. So I just had to tell y'all, I am honored. I'm floored. I'm honored. I'm flabbergasted that they gave me this opportunity. And I got all of these for free. And these I'm just so nervous, y'all, but I think they're $19 each. So, and they're gorgeous. They're gorgeous. So here comes my video so you can see what I sent to them. And, I'm not one of these people that does these fancy, pretty, 1 minute kind of TikTok-y things. I don't know how to do all that. So it's just me. So let me know what you think, please. And also, these are wonderful. So we can talk about it in a Mass Monday or a Friday Night Gab if you all want to, because I could go on and on about them. They're wonderful, feels wonderful on my lips. And look how pretty. So y'all, here's my video. I do want to thank TRENDMOOD so much, TRENDMOOD and KIKO Milano. This has been, like I said, just such an incredible honor for me. Thank you so much. Hey y'all, so KIKO Milano sent me over these fabulous 6 new colors of their Unlimited Double Touch Liquid Lip Color. These are $19 each. They go on sale June 1st, and when they sell out, they sell out. These are limited editions. So we have, this is Mauve, Movin' Mauve, and then I'm wearing Alluring Game. Look at that. And Night Vibes, gorgeous. Dusk Gleams is this one. Starry Groove is this one. Oh, is that beautiful? They're all beautiful. And Irresistible Seduction is this one. Look at the gorgeous packaging. Just beautiful. And this is the one that I'm wearing, and this is the lip color here, and then this is the over gloss. So how this works is you have your doe foot for your lippy, and then this side there's a brush, and when you put this on, it will keep your color from transferring. So I've been wearing this lipstick all day and it doesn't transfer. I'll show you, okay? Doesn't transfer onto my cup. Doesn't transfer onto my hand. Gorgeous, gorgeous colors. And they last up to 16 hours. I've had this on since 5:30 this morning. And it is, now it's about 7 p.m. So it does last all day. So it will last you all night if you want it to. And it feels really good on my lips, y'all. It is soft. It is not sticky. And it is not drying at all. You would think, so that it doesn't transfer, it would have to dry, but it is not drying. It's very comfortable on my lips. So I did swatch them for you. This is the Mauve and Mauve right here. The packaging is stunning. This one is Night Vibes. Dusk Gleams. A beautiful chocolate color. Starry Groove. This one has some purple to it. Isn't that beautiful? And Irresistible Seduction. Also another wonderful chocolate. And then what I have on is Alluring Game. And there's fabulous sparkle in this as well. So how I put this on is just a doe foot. So I just put it on like you normally would. It goes on just like any other lip gloss with the doe foot. And then you wait 30 seconds and then you put this on, and that will keep it from transferring. And easy to carry. Beautiful packaging. If you have this in your purse and you take it out, how pretty is that? So let me show you how this works. This is a little brush. It's not a doe foot. And all I did was just brush it on, just as if I was using the doe foot. I just did this way and this way. And if you need a little more, I just made sure that I covered the whole lip area so that there wouldn't be any transfer. And they're very impressive, very beautiful. These new colors are gorgeous, gorgeous for night out, like it says. Now these, I would wear this anytime. I love red. These are definitely night colors for me, and this one as well. And then this one is just one of those that I would wear anytime. So just, they're gorgeous, and thank you so much to KIKO Milano for sending these to me. Made in Italy, y'all. And they have, they have some shops around the US, and then you also can order them online. So here they are. Thank you so much. Beautiful.